1. Reconnect or replace HDMI cable. You can examine the HDMI cables to see if the power supply and monitor connection are properly connected. A faulty or loose cable in the HDMI or DisplayPort will refrain your monitor from starting. Similarly, if your laptop turns on but no display screen black occurs due to hinge issues, examine ports and cables. Reconnect the HDMI cable and see or replace the cable if it is damaged. Try using different ports and check if the monitor is working properly. 2. Check the monitor input source condition. With manufacturing companies making monitors with multiple input sources, it gets difficult to plug into the correct input source. If we plug the monitor into the wrong input source, it may cause such errors. Instructions to check the correct input source. Step 1. Make sure both the PC and monitor are turned on with the power supply. Step 2. Click on the menu button on your monitor screen. Step 3. Navigate to the input source and select the correct input source. If your device to monitor connection is through HDMI, set the input source as HDMI. 3. Update the corresponding driver. Proper display adapters or graphics cards are highly important for your display to work. Suppose your display adapter cannot support multiple monitors or your monitor configured resolution. In that case, they fail to load your monitor display and cause the computer turns on but no signal to monitor. Display adapters. You can either update your display adapters using the device manager or configure your display resolution to support the adapter's capacity. 4. Check the computer hardware condition. The computer hardware, with the help of drivers on your device, communicates with the software and runs the programs as directed. If any sections of the hardware are faulty or loose, the system might act up and displays no signal on monitor. Steps for an overall diagnostic run to check computer hardware issues are given below. Step 1. Press Windows+ to open the Run dialog box. Type perform/report and hit Enter to run the utility. Run perform/report command in the Run dialog box. Step 2. The software collects the data for over 60 seconds and displays the diagnostic results. Now, click on the Diagnostic Results section and know the condition of your computer components in the subsections. A complete diagnostic check of the computer hardware. 5. Check the screen condition. You can also learn the fault by checking the screen condition. When you turn your computer on, if the monitor is powered on, but there are no changes in the display, the issue may not be with the monitor. After hourring the monitor, if the screen displays some kind of information and goes blank, the issue may lie in the OS. Multiple conditions may infer multiple situations. You can try reinstalling the OS or changing the resolutions, or you could bring in a compatible monitor to start again. The computer turns on but no signal to monitor situations that may happen if you have just replaced an old monitor with a new one. 6. Examine monitor on other devices. If the cables and display adapters are working properly, the computer's hardware is intact, and you are still facing the issue, the problem can be with the monitor itself or the device. You can try examining your monitor on other devices to find out the problem for computer turns on but no signal to monitor. Switch your monitor with a different ton on your computer. If the new one works fine, the issue may be with the monitor. Get it fixed. If the issue is with your computer, the causes and fixes for computer will not turn on may vary due to various reasons.